Ni asomo Gavana Arati aberega kugikeria okobora komurembe ase bikora byoko byobosaria byabere bikoenekiwa ase Kaunti ya Kisii.
Engana yobore ndiobo benigo yabeire igoro mono ime ya Kenya nena sensemo ya Gusii. Aya niga gocha magega yabakagirwa kubwata samatuka bwango iga asensemo ya keroka kubwatekana no gutagurwa kwenyumba y'umu MCA. No monto yomo goito gwikogo kwa asensemo ya Kenyanya nabakagirwa bibikore ebyo babwatetwe na magega yae kubwatokwa. Egento kiamo gachiri umugabano bwe Kaunti ya Kisii Arati ase asabire abantu bonsi boborendi kwena na oborendi bwisaine.
Where some known criminals have gone and demolished the office of the area MCA, where the ward admin sits, and they have destroyed properties. For the criminals who were arrested by the public and presented before the police, later on, I'm told they were released. Yesterday night, I'm told there are people again killed a young man in Kenya. Whereas the criminals who were arrested with the blood-stained motorbikes, these people were released yesterday night. We want to send a strong warning. If the police, they are not going to protect the lives of our people, protect properties, we will ask the common mwananchi to protect himself.
Gusii Arati amochire serikali nene asego tategerera boigo kwimuki egetambukero asabono arachikoru chinchera kiratinye oborendi.
Serikali yakorekana teri korora teri gotegerera ninchemba etinete ndegetemba tebinga ninde tayari kubulya abananchi bairinde bokabanene ngenjo tiyo ekonyalekana properties chikogendera usalika amagima kagosira abasikali baligererete.
Nigo asabire abasigari gokore gasi yabo na kubwata abasaria bonsi ase ensemo ya Gusii.
Given a responsibility and you are not committed to executing that responsibility, we will help you to do it. We want to urge our brothers and sisters who are in the security sectors, act now. Arrest all the criminals who are involved in crime in Kisii.
Kubatekana nimero belyo yechibasari ni gobono mogoko monene urachiko base bari berigetie asomo gavana enekia chimilioni chimibere nemerongene na isano chibekire chechibasari asekero mwana kurwa chiwodi chonsi arachi konyora.
Pesa cha soke maambia mpaka Friday mkoena natuli chicheki kero mwana wa applyete ebasari Kisii. Na ane sechu ward no ayamba liba achende gote neni once ngo atole basari abana kuri ward yabo. We are giving 245 million and we are determined ngigase yarongo koratole.
Ngo reporter igeta Kisii and Ndizi TV editania na Njuli Kerubo.